Welcome to Heavy Haul Harvesters. Today we invite you on an exciting journey to explore some unique agricultural and forestry machinery that you may have never seen before. If you're passionate about understanding how machinery works and want to witness the power of modern equipment, this video is definitely for you. Be sure to hit like and subscribe to our channel today so you don't miss any exciting content. Your support is the driving force behind bringing more inspiring discoveries in the future. Deep within the forest, small trucks work tirelessly like industrious bees, weaving through narrow, rugged paths. On their beds lay neatly stacked logs, freshly cut from towering trees, heavy yet carefully arranged, ready to be transported to the storage yard. The drivers skillfully maneuvered their vehicles through slippery slopes and sharp turns with precision. At the storage yard, a scene of bustling activity unfolded. The small trucks lined up one after another, unloading their logs. With the help of specialized machinery, each log was carefully offloaded and stacked into towering piles, resembling natural walls standing tall amidst the wilderness. This yard marked the point where the massive trucks, like davits, stepped in to take over. Once the storage yard was filled, the enormous trucks rolled in, ready to take on their next challenge. With their vast carrying capacity, it only took a few trips for these mechanical giants to transport the entire stockpile to the processing mill. The seamless coordination between the small trucks and the large ones created an efficient cycle of movement, showcasing the synergy between human expertise and machinery in extracting and transporting resources from the depths of the forest. The small transport trucks lined up one after another, rolling down from the hilltop along narrow, dense trails, inching forward with caution. Each truck was heavily loaded with massive logs, and the path ahead was far from easy. The drivers had to be extremely careful, moving slowly, as each wheel navigated over rocks and through muddy patches with intense focus. A tiny mistake, a momentary lapse in attention, could lead to disastrous consequences for both life and property. Sharp turns followed one after another, and if they lost focus, the truck could tip over or skid off the edge into a deep ravine. The rugged terrain, filled with loose stones and uneven ground, was always ready to catch anyone who wasn't careful enough. A single misstep could cause the entire load to topple, with heavy logs tumbling out, leading to significant damage. This journey was not just a job, it was a relentless challenge, where drivers faced danger at every turn. It was in these tense moments that their skill and composure truly shone, showing their ability to master the risks and keep the journey on course. When we talk about felling ancient trees deep in the forest, the first thing experts like Alex must keep in mind is precision and absolute caution. The environment around them is always full of hidden dangers like landslides, falling trees, and wild animals, so every cut must be carefully calculated. There's no room for carelessness as the lives of the workers come first. What may seem like a simple task actually requires extreme focus, as even the smallest mistake can lead to catastrophic consequences. However, with skill and years of experience, the job becomes easier than ever. Workers like Alex are accustomed to the challenges they face, not only dealing with massive trees, but also with harsh natural conditions. Flexibility, quick reactions, and finely tuned problem-solving skills are essential for every logger. No matter how tough the job, they must always remain calm and cautious, as a moment of carelessness can turn everything upside down. Join us and witness the expert handling of these challenges as these professionals face huge obstacles while ensuring complete safety.
Keep your head up.
Today we'll follow Alex, an expert in felling ancient trees deep in the forest. With years of experience and exceptional skill in his craft, no tree is too difficult for him to handle. His precision and expertise make even the most massive trees seem like a simple task. And today we get a first-hand look at his mastery in action. Hello everyone. Today we will witness a journey full of drama and power, where mighty beasts not only appear on the main roads, but also hide deep within dense forests. And here they are, the powerful and resilient tractor trailers, ready to face any challenge. These massive trucks fear no terrain, whether it's rocky roads full of boulders, dangerous sharp turns, or muddy sunken paths. Each time these trucks venture into the dense forest, they resemble brave warriors stepping into the battlefield, overcoming every obstacle nature throws at them to accomplish their mission. Each wheel rolls steadily up steep slopes and through challenging mud holes, with no obstacle able to slow them down. Natural elements, from soil erosion to tight turns, seem powerless to stop their determined march. Every breath of these mighty machines is etched in the minds of those watching, symbolizing bravery and the resolve to overcome difficulty. These tractor trailers are not just vehicles, but steel warriors, always prepared to face any challenge and triumph over any hardship to deliver goods safely to their destination. Nothing can stop their strength and resilience, even on the most dangerous terrain.